Good morning, students. Let us start with exercise 12.1. You can see the first question. It is given that a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So let us solve this question. So it is given that the signal board is in the shape of an equilateral triangle with each side equal to A. So what will be the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? It will be 3A. So the semi-perimeter will be 3A by 2. Now since each side is equal, so S minus A, S minus B and S minus C will also be equal. That is 3A by 2 minus A, that is A by 2. Now if we apply Heron's formula to find the area of the signal board using the formula under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, we will just put it into the formula. We will get the value as 3A by 2, that is the value of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C equal to A by 2 each. So when you solve it, you will get it as A square by 4 under root 3 or under root 3 by 4 A square units. So the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square units. Okay, where A is the side of an equilateral triangle. Now perimeter, the next part of the question is the perimeter is given and we have to find the area of the triangle. This is the second part of the first question. Perimeter is 180 centimeter. So each side will be equal to how much? It's because it is an equilateral triangle, it will be divided by 3. So that will be equal to 60 centimeter. And what is the area of the triangle of an equilateral triangle, which we just derived by using Heron's formula? That is root 3 by 4 A square. Just put it into the formula. We will get it as root 3 by 4 into 60 square. When you solve it, you will get it as 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now let us start the second question. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So it is given that this is a flyover and the dimension of one of its wall, which is this, is 122 meter, 120 meter and 22 meter. And the company has hired only one of its walls, this wall, for 3 months. So let us find out how much rent the company has to pay for this wall. Now let us see. This is the dimension of the wall, triangular wall, one of the walls of the flyover. Let us take A as 122 meter, B as 120 meter and C as 22 meter. So what will be the semi-perimeter of this wall? That will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 122 plus 120 plus 22 by 2. So when you solve it, you will get it as 264 divided by 2, that is 132 meter. Now S minus A equals to 132 minus 122, that is 10 meter. S minus B equals to 132 minus 120, that is 12 meter. And S minus C equals to 132 minus 22, that is 110 meter. Now area of triangular wall will be found out by using Heron's formula, that is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we will put the values 132 into 10 into 12 into 110. When you will solve it, 132 equals to 11 into 12 into 10 into 12, 110 equals to 11 into 10. So just see, it is equal to 11 square, 12 square into 10 square. So when you take out the remove the square root, it will be equal to 11 into 12 into 10, that is 1320 meter square. So the area of that triangular wall is 1320 meter square. Now what is the question given? That rent per meter square per year for 1 year per meter square is rupees 5,000. means for 12 months rent is rupees 5,000. So rent for 1 month per meter square will be equal to 5,000 by 12, rupees 5,000 by 12. Now rent, what is the total area of that wall? That is 1320 meter square. So rent of 1320 meter square for 3 months. So for this, first of all, you see the rent for 1320 meter square will be 5,000 by 12 into 1320, and for 3 months. So we will again multiply by 3. So when you solve it, it will get it as 16,50,000 rupees. So students, for today this, just copy down and practice the sum also in your practice copy also. Thank you.